It's a deep dig into your pockets for reinstatement. We understand your pain. That's why in this video, we're going to show you the benefits of the deep dig bucket to you and your bottom line. So what is a deep dig bucket? Deep dig, or micro trenching bucket, or cable bucket, or utility bucket, has many uses. It was specifically designed for digging deep trenches for cable installations or utility projects, and typically is from 3 inches up to 6 inches, with 2 variations of dig depth from 400 up to 700. More recently, however, we've seen increased uses across golf courses and landscapers and project companies for utilising irrigation ditches, small water mains, small utility trenches, all with a drive to reduce the reinstatement costs. We have also seen uses such as companies using it as a ripper tooth or as a pecker. We do not, however, recommend this. This is simply for use once the topsoil has been broken up by either a pecker or a ripper tooth, to then remove the subsoil down to your recommended or stated depth.
So key benefits of a micro trenching or deep dig bucket. Obviously it's a narrow bucket, so it means you take less out of the ground, and the different depths as well, so you can dig to the correct depth, because obviously the headstock won't go in the ground. Some of the key features, obviously we've got the Unitusk tip on the standard 3-inch one. We can put different headstocks or pickups on the top of the buckets. It has the cutouts in the side to help reduce compaction of materials when you're digging, and obviously the less you take out of the ground, the less you have to put back. So it saves you money on your reinstallation costs.
So for sizing and pricing, to start off with, we have 2 dig depths. So we have the 400 as shown here on this 4-inch, and then we have the 700mm. For the US customers, the depths are the 15-inch as shown here and the 27-inch deep as shown here. We have 2 styles of tip. So we have the Unitusk tip here, which is a cast heavy-duty tip, which increases the durability and wear resistance of your blade, and this also helps reduce strikes on the utilities as well. On the other 3 versions you can see here, these have a standard weld-on lip plate. The Unitusk is only currently available on the 3-inch deep dig in the 400 and the 700mm. At time of filming, these start out at £312, $669 to the US customers, and that includes free shipping to US and Canada.
So now that you're well informed on our deep dig and micro trenching buckets, click on the link here to learn more on our YouTube channel.
Display a standard bolt-on. Why did I do that? These start out at $699. Oh, completely. I could have just done that. We just changed the website, couldn't you?